Hello everyone, in this video I'll just be showing you the RMS AM GM HMS inequality, otherwise known as the Mean Inequality Chain. If you haven't seen my last video on AM GM, which is a very common inequality that many people should know, which is just this part of the inequality. It's a simplified version of the mean inequality chain without these means, because they're not as common as geometric mean and arithmetic mean. However, these means are also very important, so I will explain them to you today. RMS stands for root mean square, and this mean basically takes the square of each of these numbers, divides it by the amount of numbers there are, and then square roots that. The HMS inequality is taking the reciprocal of each of the numbers and then averaging those numbers and then reciprocating that number again. So it's like reciprocating everything. Now, this chain just shows that each of these values is greater than the other. Sometimes they are equal though. The only time when all of these numbers are equal is if A1 equals A2 equals A3. And so on, all the way up to a to the an. So that just simply means that all the numbers being applied are equal to each other. And if you don't think this is useful, the RMS AM GM HMS inequality is very useful for many applications, which I'll show in other videos. In this video, I'm just showing what the RMS AM GM HMS inequality is. And if you do a lot of practice problems with these, you'll quickly learn how important the RMS AM GM HMS inequality is. It can be used to prove many other inequalities. And there's also other inequalities that are very important, such as the trivial inequality, which states that a squared is always greater than 0 to 0 if a is equals a real number. Now, the trivial inequality seems very simple, but we just had to put an inequality to make sure that people understand. Now, there's also another important inequality, which is just the AM-GM inequality, which I explained before. You should see my other video on AM-GM where I proved part of AM-GM. So, anyways, thanks for watching. This video was just explaining what the mean inequality chain was, and if you did not know what the mean inequality chain is, you should go check out some problems and maybe try those. Thanks for watching.